Hi, it's Chris German from the Apartment Dealer. I'm here with my partner, Alex Lynn, and we're excited to announce we just sold the highest priced multifamily sale in the city of Baldwin Park that has ever sold in the city's history. 5 units. And to give us a breakdown of the offers, how this come to be, what was our final price? Alex, why don't you give us the details?
So we received a total of 9 offers at or above the list price. So we originally listed it for $1,650,000, but we ended up at a close price of $1,880,000. So that's $230,000 more than the list price, and that's $376,000 per unit.
So how do you get 14% above the list price in a market where most sellers are having to reduce the price, give credits, beg, borrow, and steal to get their building sold? Because again, most people would say, hey, you're in a depressed market. We are. Most people would say in recent months, prices on buildings have come down. They have. How did this happen? Well, in part, this had to do to the fact that the seller offered private seller financing. So, Alex, what were the terms of that note? And maybe break down for the viewer if they've never heard of private seller financing and how that works.
So the private seller financing terms were offered at 25% down with 6.5% interest-only payments that were due in 7 years. Essentially, a buyer would only need to put 25% down, different from the conventional 40 or 45% you see in today's market, allowing them to put a smaller down payment and only make interest-only payments. And that really helps lower the amount of payment they make per month they have to pay on the property.
Yeah, so again, on this particular property, we had several vacancies. Rents were below market on the tenants that were residing there. No way to get a traditional commercial loan. The seller made out like a bandit. Matter of fact, why don't we, I'm yet to speak to her today. Why don't we give her a call?
Hello?
Hi, Mrs. Colinos?
Yes.
Hi, this is actually Chris on Alex's phone. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good, Mel. I'm doing good. I didn't get a chance to call you. I know you spoke with Alex earlier. I didn't get a chance. I have been swamped in meetings, but I wanted just to call and congratulate you on the sale of Baldwin Park. I think you did extremely, extremely well on the price. I hope you felt the same way.
Well, I feel very same way. And basically, I want to congratulate you so you could do it so quickly. My family said, how come that so quickly? How possible? I said, well, when you get right people, things done right. So I'm very thankful to you guys. You did great, very professional, very punctual, and I couldn't expect better, tell you the truth. I mean, I'm surprised your service is just 5 stars, I tell you that. Yeah, honestly. I'm very satisfied. I'm very happy that I found you. Well, guys, I really like you both. You're so honest, so straightforward, so professional. You know, that's what I expect. I like to do business quickly. Well, thank you very much again. So I'll be back and I get in touch with you.
Okay, we will talk to you then. Okay, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So obviously that was not a solicited call. She didn't know that we were going to call. I actually have to call her after this and make sure can share this recording with you. But again, we wanted to share this sale with you. This is what we do at the Apartment Dealer. We eat and breathe multifamily sales. If you have a question with respect to what's going on in the market, Chris, you said a minute ago, prices are depressed. Well, how depressed? Again, call us. We can share all the market data with you. It's not as gloomy as I made it sound, but again, that was for theatrics. But the bottom line is multifamily properties are still selling, rental rates are still going up, and the buildings are full. Multifamily is a great investment. Before we let them go, Alex, any final thoughts?
Thank you, and tune in for more information.
All right, till then.